In this video, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram bio. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram, then hit at your profile picture, and once you are on your profile, right here tap on Edit Profile. Now you can tap at bio text field, and there, in order to mention someone or to tag someone, first you have to do is type in @ symbol, and after that just start typing someone's username, and it shows you some users. You can select anyone from the suggested, and after that you can type in another @ symbol and start typing another username. Then you can select some, and in the same way you can tag here multiple persons, and it doesn't matter if you following that person or if that person following you. You can tag here any Instagram user. After that you can hit on done, and that's it. Now you can go to your profile, and here, as you can see, I have just tagged 2 different persons. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.